Well, all that stress of being a parent could actually pay off when it comes to avoiding the common cold. A new study shows being a parent reduces your risk of catching a cold by more than half. Researchers at Carnegie Mellon University in Pittsburgh analyzed data on nearly 800 adults from 3 previous studies and how stress and social factors affect the risk of catching a cold. Well, parents who were no longer living with their children experienced an even greater benefit.
I don't know. I'm no researcher or scientist, but I've never been so sick as when my son was in kindergarten. It seemed like I was constantly getting flu.
Yes.
So